श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता अथ एकादशोऽध्याय विश्वरूप दर्शन योगा रिविलेशन ऑफ द कॉस्मिक फॉर्म। अर्जुन उवाच। Arjuna said, मदनुग्रहाय परमं गुह्यमध्यात्मसञ्जनितं यत्त्वयोक्तं वचस्तेन मोहोऽयं विगतो मम। This delusion of mine has departed as a result of that speech which was uttered by you as a favor to me, which is most secret and is known as pertaining to the self. भवाप्ययौ हि भूतानां श्रुतौ विस्तरशो मया त्वत्तः कमलपत्राक्ष mahatmyam अपि चाव्ययम्. O, you with eyes like lotus petals, the origin and dissolution of beings have been heard of by me in detail from you, and even your exalted state, which is inexhaustible, has been heard of by me. एवमेतत् यथार्थत्वम् आत्मानं परमेश्वर द्रष्टुमिच्छामि ते रूपम् ऐश्वरं पुरुषोत्तम. O Supreme Lord, as you speak about yourself, so is it. O Supreme Person, I wish to see the divine form of yours. मन्यसे यदि तत् शक्यं मया द्रष्टुमिति प्रभो योगेश्वर ततो मे त्वं दर्शयात्मानम् अव्ययम्. O Lord, if you think that it is possible to be seen by me, then, O Lord of the yogis, you show me your immutable self. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha. The Blessed Lord said, Pashya me partha rupani shatashohat sahasrashaha nana vidhani divyani nana varna kritini cha. O son of Pritha, behold my forms in their hundreds and in thousands, of different kinds, exceedingly wonderful, and of various colors and shapes. Pashyadityan vasun rudran ashvinau marutastatha vahunyadrishta purvani pasyascharayani bharata. Behold the Adityas, the Vasus, the Rudras, the two Ashwins, the Maruts, as also others. O scion of the Bharata dynasty, behold also the many strange things not seen before. Yahaikastham jagatkritsnam pashyadya sacharacharam mama dehe gurakesha yachanad drashtumicchasi. Behold now, O Gurakesha, Arjuna, the entire universe, together with the moving and the non-moving, existing at the same place on this body of mine, as also whatever else you would like to see. Natu mam shakyase drashtum anenaiva sachakshusha divyam dadami te chakshuh pashyame yogamaishwaram. You are certainly not able to see me merely with this eye of yours. I grant you the supernatural eye. Behold the yoga of mine, who am God. Sanjaya Uvacha. Sanjaya said, Evamuktva tato rajan mahayogeshwaro harihi darshayamasa parthaya paramam rupamaishwaram. Having spoken thus, O king, thereafter Hari, the greatest of all and the lord of the yogis, showed to the son of Pritha the all-surpassing form of God. Anika Bhaktrananam, Anika Adbhuta Darshanam, Anika Divyabharanam, Divyanekodhyatayudham, Divyamalyam Baradharam, Divyagandhanulepanam, Sarvashcharyamayam Devam Anantam Vishvato Mukham. The form in which there were many faces and eyes, many wonderful sights, numerous divine decorations, many uplifted divine weapons. That form by which were worn divine garlands and apparel, which was anointed with things having divine scent, which abounded in many wonders, which was resplendent and limitless, and which had faces on all sides. दिवि सूर्य सहस्रस्य भवेद् युगपदुत्थिता यदि भाः सदृशी सा स्याद् भासस्तस्य महात्मनः. Should the effulgence of 1,000 suns simultaneously blaze forth in the sky, that might be similar to the radiance of that exalted one. Tatraikastham jagatkritsnam pravibhaktamanekadha apashat deva devasya shadire pandavastada. At that time, Pandava saw there on the body of the god of gods the whole diversely differentiated universe as existing at the same place. ततः स विस्मयाविष्टो हृष्टरोमा धनञ्जयः प्रणम्या शिरसा देवं कृताञ्जलिरभाषत. Then, filled with wonder, with hair standing on end, he, Dhananjaya, bowing down with his head to the Lord, said with folded hands. Arjuna Uvacha. Arjuna said, पश्यामि देवांस्तव देवदेहे सर्वांस्तथा भूतविशेषसङ्घान् ब्रह्माणमीशं कमलासनस्थं ऋषींश्च सर्वान् उरगांश्च दिव्यान्. O God, I see in your body all the gods as also hosts of various classes of beings, and also Brahma, the ruler, sitting on a lotus seat, and all the sages and divine serpents. अनेकबाहूदरवक्त्रनेत्रं पश्यामि त्वं सर्वतोऽनन्तरूपं नान्तं न मध्यं न पुनस्तवादिं पश्यामि विश्वेश्वर विश्वरूप. I see you as possessed of numerous arms, bellies, mouths, and eyes, as having infinite forms all around. O Lord of the universe, O cosmic person, I see not your limit, nor the middle, nor again the beginning. Kiritinam gadinam chakrinam cha तेजोराशिं सर्वतो दीप्तिमन्तं पश्यामि त्वं दुर्निरीक्ष्यं समन्ताद् दीप्तानलार्कद्युतिम् अप्रमेयम्. I see you as wearing a diadem, wielding a mace, and holding a disc, as a mass of brilliance glowing all around, difficult to look at, as possessed of the radiance of a blazing fire and the sun on all sides, and as immeasurable. त्वमक्षरं परमं वेदितव्यं त्वमस्य विश्वस्य परं निधानं त्वम् अव्ययः शाश्वतधर्मगुप्ता सनातनस्त्वं पुरुषो मतो मे. You are the supreme immutable to be known. You are the most perfect refuge of this universe. You are imperishable and are the protector of the ever existing Dharma. You are known to me as the eternal person. अनादिमध्यान्तम् अनन्तवीर्यम् अनन्तबाहुं शशिसूर्यनेत्रम् पश्यामि त्वां दीप्तहुताशवक्त्रम् स्वतेजसा विश्वमिदं तपन्तम्. I see you as without beginning, middle, and end, possessed of infinite valor, having innumerable arms, having the sun and the moon as eyes, having a mouth like a blazing fire, scorching this universe with your own brilliance. देवा पृथिव्योरिदमन्तरं हि व्याप्तं त्वैकेन दिशश्च सर्वाः दृष्ट्वाद्भुतं रूपमुग्रं तवेदं लोकत्रयं प्रव्यथितं महात्मन्. This intermediate space between heaven and earth, as also all the directions, is pervaded by you yourself alone, O noble-minded one. The three worlds are extremely terrified by seeing this strange form of yours that is difficult to comprehend.